Ever been in a Telegram call trying to share a video or presentation only to be met with the classic, we can't hear anything? You are not alone. It's a super common and frustrating problem, especially on Windows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to finally fix it. We'll cover the built-in method that's supposed to work, and more importantly, the essential workaround for when it inevitably doesn't. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll be a Telegram screen sharing pro. All right, let's get right into it. You start a video call, you hit share screen, and nothing. Silence on the other end. It's one of the biggest complaints about Telegram desktop. If you've looked for a solution, you've no doubt seen forums and Reddit threads packed with people asking the same exact question. This isn't just some random bug. There's a technical reason it happens so often, particularly on Windows. Recent bug reports on sites like GitHub confirm what tons of users already know. There are major inconsistencies in how Telegram desktop grabs your computer's sound. The heart of the problem is usually how your computer is managing all its different audio devices. Most of us have complex audio setups without even realizing it. You've got your main speakers, a headset, maybe some virtual audio cables for streaming, or even software that creates its own sound devices. This is where things get messy. Telegram tries to grab audio from whatever audio device you've set in its own settings, but the app you're trying to share, like a browser playing a video or a game, might be sending its sound to a different device. For example, your PC's default sound might go to your speakers, but you've told Telegram to use your headset. When you share your screen and a video is playing through those speakers, Telegram is still listening for sound on the headset channel, where it finds total silence. The result? A perfectly shared screen with zero audio. It's incredibly annoying, especially when you're trying to watch something with friends or give a presentation. The call just grinds to a halt while you troubleshoot. But the good news is there are clear ways to fix this. We'll start with the official method first, and then I'll show you the guaranteed workaround that solves the problem for good. Let's cover the method that's built right into Telegram. You should always try this first because if it works, it's the fastest solution. Let's start with Windows, since that's where most people have issues. Fire up your Telegram desktop app and get into a video call. Once the call is live, look for the Share Screen button in the control bar at the bottom. A new window will pop up asking you to choose a screen or a specific application to share. If you share the screen, you will see something. The sound from your computer is not heard. Telegram does not permit calling somebody and sharing the screen and sound. This is very strange, as we will do something that is very similar and that will work. To share the sound with a screencast on Telegram, you will need to share the screen in a group, even if you and one person are in the group. Let me show you. Let me create a group. Tap the three dots menu, select a new group, write the name and click Next. Select the person you want to share the screen and the sound to add to the group. Now the group has been created. Let's start a video call. Click on the icon near the search icon. Now click on Start Video Chat. Select the group you are in now and click Continue. Now, click on the three dots menu on the left. Click on Share Screen. A new window will pop up asking you to choose a screen or a specific application to share. Now, here's the crucial part. At the bottom of this window, you should see a checkbox that says Share System Audio. You have to check this box. But let's be real, this is often the source of the problem. Many bug reports confirm this checkbox is frequently missing or just plain broken, even on the latest versions. If you see the checkbox, tick it, select what you want to share, and click the final Share Screen button. If you're one of the lucky ones, any audio playing on your computer will now be broadcast to everyone in the call. For macOS users, the process is pretty much the same. You start a call, hit Share Screen, and you should see the same option to include audio. It generally works a little more reliably on Macs, but it's not perfect. Now for my Linux folks. The old advice was that you were completely out of luck, but things have gotten better. Thanks to modern systems like Pipewire, screen sharing with audio is now possible, though it can still be tricky depending on your distribution and setup. Unlike what some older guides say, you don't have to use a Windows-based workaround. Setting up Pipewire correctly is often the key. If you tried the native method and it failed you, don't worry. You've just confirmed you're in the same boat as many others. And there you have it. We've gone over the hit or miss native way to share audio and the rock-solid voice meter workaround that permanently fixes the infamous Windows audio bug. No more silent movie nights or presentations where no one can hear your examples. You now have 2 solid methods to make sure your audio shares perfectly every single time. If this guide finally helped you solve this headache, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Subscribe for more nonsense tech tutorials just like this one. And most importantly, if you have any questions or you found another solution, drop it in the comments below. I do my best to read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.